Hello students, today we are going to study chapter 4 from computer book Memory, Storage Devices and Data Representation. In the previous video we have studied what is primary memory, but in this video we are going to study what is secondary memory. So let's start. Secondary memory. The primary memory is generally costly and has capacity limitation. Further, it cannot retain data for longer period of time. However, we need to store data and instruction for long time so that they can be used later. For this purpose, secondary memory storage is used. The secondary storage stores large amounts of data, instruction and information permanently. The popular secondary storage devices are hard disk, compact disk means CDs, and digital versatile disk means DVDs and pen drives. Secondary memory is not directly accessible to processor of a computer but requires use of computer's input-output channels. Such memory is usually slower than primary memory but it always has higher storage capacity. Further, the secondary storage memory is non-volatile. Data remains unchanged even after switching off the computer. Secondary memory is also known as auxiliary memory or auxiliary storage. In this figure, you can see the memory. In a computer memory, we have two kinds of memory, primary memory and secondary memory. In primary memory, we have ROM and RAM. In RAM, there are two types of RAM. SRAM means static RAM and DRAM means dynamic RAM. While in ROM, we have three kinds of ROM. PROM means PROM, EPROM means electrically programmable read-only memory, and EEPROM means erasable electronically programmable read-only memory. In secondary memory, we have hard disk, CD-ROM, pen drives and memory card. Now, let me discuss some secondary memory. So first, hard disk is one kind of secondary memory. A hard disk consists of one or more rigid metal plates coated with a metal oxide material that allows data to be magnetically recorded on the surface of the platters. In this figure, you can see typical hard disk. Data and instruction are recorded on the oxide based surface by magnetizing selected particles of the surface. The particles retain their magnetic orientation until that orientation is changed. Thus, hard disk allows modification once the content is stored. A hard disk platter spins at a high rate of speed, typically 5400 to 7200 revolutions per minute, means RPM. Along with one or more platters, a hard disk also contains some read-write heads which read and write data on the disk platters. Hard disk. Here you can see the image of external hard disk. So what is external hard disk? We are going to learn it. Storage capacity of hard disk for personal computers range from 10 GB to 500 GB. The disk provides storage area within the computer itself. Hard disk is also known as a hard drive. Most of the hard disks are the part of computer. However, external hard disks of different size and capacities such as 350 GB, 500 GB and 1 TB are also available. In this figure you can see external hard disk. Now come to compact disk means CD. A compact disk is also called an optical disk. It is flat, round and portable storage medium that is usually 4.75 inches in diameter. You might have seen the audio CD for music. CD can contain other type of data such as text, graphics and video. The typical capacity of a CD is 650 MB of data. Unlike hard disk, CD supports optical storage. Here, data is burned into the storage medium using beams of laser light. The burns from letters of small pits in the disk surface to represent data. The pits on optical media are permanent, so the data cannot be changed. Optical media are very durable, but they do not provide the flexibility of magnetic media, such as modification of data. In this figure, you can see the optical compact disc. There are three popular types of optical disc: CD-ROM, CDR, and CDRW. CD-ROM is the most popular type among them. CD-ROM stands for compact disc, means read-only memory. CD-ROMs usually come with data already written onto them. It is possible for users to write data to an optical disc. Once data is written on it with a special utility, many times it can be read from the CD. Hence, such CDs are known as write once read many, means warm disk. These CDs are known as CD re-recordable, means CDR. There is a third type of optical disc which can be erased and used to rewrite new information. These are sometimes known as EO, means erasable optical disc, or CDRW, means CD rewritable. Then come to next topic, digital versatile disc, means DVD. Digital versatile discs are popularly known as DVD. It is an optical disc storage media format that can be used for data storage, including movies with high video and sound quality. DVDs resemble compact discs as their physical dimensions are the same, but they are encoded in a different format at a much higher density. DVD generally offers more storage capacity as compared to a CD. Now, USB pen drives. USB flash drives are also known as pen drives or thumb drives. They are small, portable, and rewritable. They are flash memory data storage devices integrated with a universal serial bus, means USB interface. In this figure, you can see typical USB. They come in different capacities like 2 GB, 4 GB, 8 GB, 16 GB, 32 GB, and 54 GB. Pen drives are most popular as they are very portable, available in various size and capacities, as well as very efficient for storing the important data. Many instruments like television and MP3 players have USB ports to allow direct use of pen drives. That if you have a movie clip or photos in your pen drive, it can be directly attached to the television to see the movies and photos. So students, in this video we have learned what is secondary memory, some devices of secondary memory that can be used. In the next video we shall learn about data representation into computer memory, what is binary memory, and how can we convert binary into decimal and decimal into binary. So watch the video carefully and learn whatever we have learned today. In the next video we shall learn something more about computer. Till then, goodbye.